Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to go through the complete process of how to deposit money into the Worldcoin app. First, open the World app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Once the app is open, go to the wallet section. Here you will find different options to manage your funds. Look for the cash deposit option and tap on it to continue. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the three dots icon. This will open a small menu with more options. From this menu, select Receive. This is the option you use to get your wallet address for deposits. Now, the app will ask you to choose the token that you want to deposit. For example, you can choose digital dollars or any other supported token. Select the one that you plan to deposit. After selecting the token, you will need to choose the network that will be used for the transaction. Choose Worldchain or any other network that matches the one you will be sending from. Selecting the correct network is very important because if the wrong network is used, your funds may not arrive. Once you have selected both the token and the network, the app will generate a unique wallet address for your deposit. You will see this address on the screen along with a QR code. You can either scan the QR code or tap on the copy icon to copy the address. This is how you can easily deposit money into the Worldcoin app. Thanks for watching.